Say it with me. Word time. Lion. Elephant. Monkey. Frog.
Again.
Lion, elephant, monkey, frog. Quiz time. Who says roar? Lion. Awesome. Eat.